Yeah, super happy with it.
Nice. Whoa, that's a lot of torque. Damn, nice. It really does push you back in the seat.
Yeah.
And it's so smooth that you don't really feel the shifts at all. It's like instant. That's
Not
great.
too harsh.
Is it an oil catch can?
It's a hood strut.
Oh, it had nothing?
It came with the stick.
Oh, shit.
I know.
But this is pretty good.
Yeah.
So there was already a hole here.
Yeah, there was already a mounting point here, and then I just had to add the mounting point here.
This bracket? Or just that nut?
Just that
oh,
bolt,
shit,
yeah.
okay. Still pretty tame. Well, I guess when you open it up, or when you step on it, it'll...
Yeah, it's not too obnoxious. Oh, yes.
Leave it.
Oh yeah. They're so cute.
Shrimp again. Cuddle. It's a zebra shrimp. Ese no es que hacen como. Hacen como plantas. No, es entre las ramas. Es el perro color de.
A big ass suitcase for a week. Hello, hello. What's up?
Yeah. This is someone behind.
Oh yeah, there's days. Days. I'm just like, dude. Do it without him.
Just like, I don't know, the film scene started like.
Now 600, which was like our. Yeah, there's a different carrier. So this guy right here comes out. This is we have a friend, Casey. She goes by Harvey Film Lab, and she has this guy right here. I think we put enough time at the other lab.
For labs and stuff, I think they
Please,
people
man.
that could actually use it.
That'd be.
Object on the road.
It's hard to pull it.
have arrived.
I mean, it might not catch too. It just might be too wet.
I don't think it's wet. It's already burned.
That's the opposite of the base.
Oh no, that's good. That's
nice.
good. Holy shit.
Oh, that lit quick. One side is like light blue, and then one side is like
I tipped
blue.
it into the corner.
Nice.
Yeah. Sick. It's so cool looking.
There's Randy brought some beer.
Yes, I got beer.
Oh,